Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jaguar X-Type steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery for at least 30 minutes to discharge the airbag system. This minimizes the risk of accidental deployment. Make sure your front wheels are pointing straight ahead. You will need a T30 Torx bit for the airbag screws and a T50 Torx bit for the main steering wheel bolt. Always be careful to avoid static electricity. Next, we'll tackle the airbag. On the back of the steering wheel, you'll find two access holes. Use a T30 Torx bit to loosen the captive screws inside these holes. These screws will not come out completely, just loosen them. Once loose, gently pull the airbag module forward. You'll see yellow electrical connectors. Slide the locking tabs back, then carefully pull the connectors straight out. Store the airbag safely, face up, away from heat. With the airbag safely removed, it's time for the main steering wheel bolt. Before removal, mark the steering wheel's position relative to the steering column. This helps ensure correct alignment during reinstallation. Use a large T50 Torx socket and a breaker bar to loosen the central bolt. It might be quite tight, so be prepared to apply some force. Once loose, fully remove the bolt. Now, with the main bolt out, you can gently pull the steering wheel off the spline shaft. Be mindful of any remaining wires for steering wheel controls. Carefully feed them through the wheel's central opening. Take care not to damage the clock spring, which is a crucial component for your airbag and other electrical functions. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the main bolt is properly torqued.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.